They'll eat off the land, worms and stuff like that. I bet just said, ha 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 ha, nobody come to feed us. Wonder if they're gulls, those white bears, gulls.
Definitely.
Hmm?
Swans are trying to.
The sensitive swans
He was
are.
attacking the swans last time.
Yeah. I don't think the geese are liking those worms though. No, but that's the whole reason why I bought them in the first place. As I said, you got to space it out so they've all got something. They're not attacking them. Did you buy bread?
No.
You didn't?
Yeah, expensive. It's 150.
No, you should have got it for 90p.
Yeah, but it's an old one.
There's a, yeah, I saw that earlier. I have to stitch it. Max would have gone absolutely mad as an excitement when he saw all these birds
I don't
together.
think he would. He would have watched
You think so?
just when they went in his garden.
He would have gone,
He just didn't like him in the garden. Did he?
so he would have gone as if to woof but not woof.
Baby swans protecting the mother and dad.
Eh?
The reverse roles. Ah, look like they're going to come and fight
Yeah.
with each other. Didn't know there was that many ducks in this lake.
Or, all those. Where's
Big ducks there, people just call them ducks.
by the geese? You can see the geese. The ones with the black heads and white, black and white heads. I don't know what they are. But the ones with the orange beaks, they're geese.
And then that's something.
It's the noise.
You might be getting ready for migration.
Well, they're getting this through the world.
Get the energy to fly all the way to London. They're all going mad and they're just chilled out.
Yeah. Isn't it? It's the first time sitting here that we've seen at one time so many different birds. Because normally they're scattered around the lake. But we've given them seed that doesn't sprout. And I went to the B&M's and bought some of this also, dried mealworms. Because the last ones we took down, Keiko worms, they didn't particularly enjoy those, so we do like to give them something that they enjoy. But there's a lot of mushrooms about as well, and I want to take them with, but I don't know whether they are actually mushrooms or whether they're toadstools. I'm not experienced with stuff like that. But I love watching this. It's so lovely. There's the duck.
The noisiest it's been, isn't it? It's
Okay.
really peaceful.
Yeah.
You can't feed them all. All they hope is they leave them seed on the ground so they can come.
It'd be lovely though when they get more babies. I think they're gulls. Gulls.
Double team. Mum and Dad's double teaming.
Oh, you're so welcome. Yeah, you don't need to go abroad when you have places like this. Look.
Bully swan.
Yeah. And the swan's beautiful. I don't know what Max would have made up with all this and all the noise. I don't think he would have woofed, but he would have gone,
There they go.
yeah, and looked everywhere.
Look at you, just chilled.
That one's been dominant, that one in the middle. The best ones have to be the swans, the baby swans. I'd love to have seen them when they were really little, riding on the parents' backs.
Must have been babies when the time was like.
Well, I don't think there would have been anything else.
Yeah.
There must have been babies when they were tiny. Of course they were. Of course they were babies.
No, when we had Max. I said there must have been babies when we had Max.
Yeah.
Before we died.
We didn't really come down here though, did we? Before Max. Wasn't really, sadly, as beautiful a place as it is, it's not a place we could have taken Max because of the amount of dogs that's off leads. Ah, they're beautiful, aren't they? I was just saying to Grant, but I'd love to see them when they were tiny little babies. I know there's a word, I can't think what they're called now, when they're babies. On, sitting on the parents' back. That would have been lovely.
Aren't they magnets?
Magnets.
That's what they call it. Signets.
Signets, yeah.
Signets. Magnets.
Magnets. Ice cream. I just made that bird jump
I
coughing.
think it's signets.
Signets, yeah, that's it. Yeah, the swan parents are making the children more what's that word I'm looking for?
Independent.
Independent. Because last time we were down here, just the cygnets came, and not the parents, and the parents came like about 10 minutes later. But I mean, they must have been watching them. And then the other day, one of the children came down here and fell asleep. Couldn't believe it. Well, I wasn't here. Grant was here.
Yeah.
I don't know what those black and white ones are, though. I don't think You know, the geese ones are the ones with the orange beaks, but I don't know what those white and black ones are. You know, the necks and it's like a white stripe. Unless they're all geese. Maybe a male and a female, like a duck, a drake and what's the male? What's the male's called? What's the male duck's called?
Mallard.
Mallard. Is it mallard? One of Max's followers said that it's a male and female drake. Are they the? Must have been the ducks we were talking about. Oh, they're all going now. Yeah, we put loads of seed down. I think they're a form of a seagull, but they're too small to be an actual seagull because our seagulls are really big. We went to we got a train to, it doesn't matter, I can't remember anyway where, and we saw this seagull. I'm not kidding you. It must have, you see this bottle here? The seagull must have been about that tall off the ground. This is one of these bottles, but glass water. It's about this tall, and then it was about this, let me see, put my feet together. It must have been about that wide, you know. So the seagulls here, I mean, they are huge. But that could be a form of a seagull. But I don't think it's an actual seagull. I wonder if birds learn to, if you come here enough, especially swans, I wonder if they learn to recognise your face. And is it a mallard, is it? So a male is a drake, isn't it? The female is a mallard, I think.
But they do, though, because at first it was quite aggressive.
Yeah.
It was going, sss.
Yeah.
They're not as bad.
No. Look at that one coming up. Da 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 da. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh God, there was a huge amount first of all when I first started recording. You got to feed wildlife. I've got at home. I've got 4 bags of. Is it 25 kilograms of birdseed?
You'd have needed about 15 quid worth to feed that, wouldn't you?
Eh?
You'd have needed about 15 quid worth of food.
I love watching the birds coming down.
Swans are cleaned about.
Yeah. There's a lot on the foreshore too. Because you're beautiful, it's true. I just don't know what those ones with the long black necks. Don't know if you can see them. Let's see if I can. Here we are. Let's see if I can. Yeah, there they are. Can you see them? They got like a white stripe where the eyes are. And the bodies look like geese, but the heads and the necks look like something else. I was wondering if it's a form of a goose. Maybe, I don't know. Feels like we're at the Lake District. In the middle of the Lake District, so I read, there's a house and it's hidden by like something like this, but inside there's a castle or something like that I read. Oh, they're all coming back. You see them? Oh, the geese.
You're waiting,
Or a mixture of geese and
you're waiting
whatever
for
they
them
are.
to finish.
Yeah. Didn't seem to eat anything, did they?
They did chocolate stuff.
Did you?
They had bits.
I went right along so that they all had something to eat.
The swans will leave the seed and they'll get a bit of seed.
Well, definitely all well fed, aren't they? Not like as if they aren't. Can you see all these? Let's have a look. Do you? Wonder if they've come down here. Come from yours to England. That's quite a long flight, isn't it? I know we've got quite a few. To what I read about the birds on this lake, there's quite a few rare ones. So I wouldn't be surprised if some of them did come actually from abroad. But that's some flight, that is. Massachusetts.
I don't think they'd fly 1,000 miles.
You, do you know? Will you be surprised?
You are going back to Massachusetts.
What's that song? Go on,
The
sing.
Bee Gees. Down the lights,
Way down in Massachusetts.
We're standing on a road.
Let it be.
That's because you like that.
Eh? Look on. I'm glad the swans came over. Arr! Yes. I'm glad the swans came over.
We normally had to go searching for them, didn't we, at the start? Now they just come to us. So
Hey, Bonnie.
sit in one place.
Do you recognise the song, Terry? Look at them all going over there now, looking for more food. The best ones have to be. I'm not a lover of geese. I'll feed them, but I won't go close to them because they can be quite aggressive. A long time ago, when my brother, he's no longer here, but my brother was about 5 years old, and we went to this park with my parents. It was my sister, my two brothers, and myself. And we went to this park, and Carl ran towards his geese, and his geese started chasing him. And yeah, I remember that. And he was crying his eyes out because he was so scared of these geese, but they tried to attack my brother. So, yeah. Can you hear all the noises? There's another one that goes, and I love that dirty water. Oh, Boston, you're my home. Do you recognise that one?
No. Oh, Boston. I've heard that.
I never heard. I'll have to go into YouTube and listen to that one.
And then no Bee Gees songs.
And I love that. Who sang that then? Who sang that, Terry? Yeah, well, there's also, can you see, Bonnie, can you see these ones? Hang on, can you see those ones? They look like they've got swan backs, but, not swan backs, geese backs, bodies, but the heads and the necks are white and black. I don't know what they are though. You can see the geese because they're the ones. That's a goose. That's a goose there with the orange beaks. But I don't know what the these blackened these ones are.
Swans don't share anything, do they?
Can you see them? Very similar to the geese, especially with the bodies. But like I say, the neck seems to be a lot more thinner than the geese. We don't know what they are. But we have a lot of rare birds that come here.
Finding a bit.
Yeah.
Oh, there's some land.
They like the plant life as well.
They come on land. They go, oh, that's it. They do.
La-da-dee-da-da. Long distance information calling Memphis, Tennessee. Help me find the one that tried to get in touch with me. Couldn't be. Yeah, those white ones are really noisy. And I think those ones there, they're moorhens
Thinking.
with a little bit of white on them.
Come on, duck.
Yeah.
You dare the wind.
Have I missed anyone's conversation?
They were thinking, come on, son, bloody hurry up.
Let it be. Let it dee. Let it. The sandals. The sandals. Let me just take a screen grab, and then I will look when I get back home. We got a long way to go. Are they coming on land?
I want to try.
Yeah. Oh, he's getting agitated. Do you know why he's doing that? He's getting agitated. When he does this with his tail, getting agitated. Look at that, having a good stretch. Have you heard of the sandals? No, I haven't either.
White one cheekily sneaks.
Yeah, look at it.
Cheek of it.
It won't wreck it. No, he said there's loads on the floor.
Swan, I'll have it when it turns out.
Does anybody know anything about mushrooms, about wild mushrooms? I want to know if these are wild mushrooms or if they're toadstools. They look like a little bit like field mushrooms. And I know they're edible. There's quite a few around here. I was going to take them home, but you just don't know whether they're toadstools or whether they're mushrooms. We had quite a few in the garden. I was frying them up and eating them. Tasted lovely. Yeah, there's a lot of plantain under the water that they're eating. Then, see, if we weren't here, they'd come onto the land and eat all the food.
Jet ski.
They're a little bit nervous about, I said the little white ones, a little bit nervous about coming on. Look at that.
Jet skis.
Look at that. Well, they've gone.
You're off to Massachusetts.
Yeah, they're off to Massachusetts. Coming your way, Terry. Do you think that would make a good YouTube
Doing slow
post?
motion.
Eh? No, just close your eyes and just listen to the noise of them all with a little bit of music as well, like tubular bells.
ADSR, whatever you call it. They're scared of the jet skis.
Take me home, country road. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Never to see what danger every
Eh?
time.
Country road, take me home to the world. What's that song? Oh, that's
Country
that.
road.
Let's just go down here. We'll show you what that noise is. I don't know if you can hear them. Let's just go down here. Yeah.